Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get to the settings on Apple Watch. So, this is going to work the same on the all Apple Watches, so it doesn't really matter which Apple Watch you have. And today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation. And I brought the iPhone because you can do this also through your iPhone by the Watch app while your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. But first, let's do it on the Apple Watch. So, what you're gonna do is to wake up your Apple Watch by tapping the screen or just pressing the digital crown once. And again, you want to press digital crown once. And this will bring you to the main screen of your all applications that are installed on your Apple Watch. And to go to the settings, you want to find the setting icon, which is this icon right here, the gear icon. And to go to settings, just click on it. And I did something earlier. So this is the view what you're going to get when you click on the settings. And now you can go to all this, options of settings. You can swipe down, search for what you're looking for. But in many cases, the general settings are going to be the one that you want to find. And also, and for me this is a lot of easier, I would say, you can do all this stuff, all the settings through your iPhone. So what you want to do is go to the Watch app, and this is the screen that you're going to get. And if you have many watches connected to your iPhone, just click on all watches and select the watch that you want to set up. Like set some settings, not set up for the first time. So yeah, and now you can go to the general, display brightness, gestures, accessibility, Siri, sounds and settings. You can everywhere click on that and you're going to have a lot of settings to set for your needs. So yeah, this is it. This is how you get to settings on your Apple Watch. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.